Hey there. So, let me spin you a story about diving into the world of Azure Service Bus for implementing those sleek message-based communication workflows. You ready? Okay, picture this. It all started one fine morning when my team decided we needed to level up our cloud infrastructure game. We were talking about Azure Service Bus during our casual coffee break, and believe me, the more we babbled, the more we got curious. Turns out, we had this idea of setting up a nifty system to streamline our internal communications. Azure Service Bus caught our interest primarily because of its robust support for messaging patterns essential in modern microservices architectures. We really had big dreams, you know. We wanted something that could handle the high throughput and provide an incredible fault tolerance to our communication hubs. It's always nice talking to someone who dreams as big as I do. As we got our hands dirty with more details, the thought of integrating it into our existing systems became far more attractive. Imagine a system that decouples our apps, enabling messages to travel back and forth. We envisioned a secure, reliable way to exchange messages, and it just so happened that our team had already developed some excellent code using Netty for network communication, perfect for our needs on each peer. As we mapped out an implementation architecture, using Azure Service Bus felt almost like planning a mini vacation. We sketched out our reference architecture in play with Azure, visualizing the queue and topic patterns we needed. We talked about queues the way friends would talk about weekend getaways, as the heart of data exchange. The cool thing about subscriptions and topics was like having different routes planned out. Some were private, personal, others shared, like an open road where friends chat freely during the journey. As we got into configuring everything, it became real, hands-on time. Configuring the service bus was like learning a new language. We learned how to write our rules for topics and the routing of messages, like crafting the perfect party guest list, making sure everyone would be just where they needed to be, and in no time, we had our first test message zooming through the system. Once the system was up, we dove deep into troubleshooting, like a group of friends on a road trip, checking up on each other's comfort and car conditions. We explored logs and metrics to understand the flow of our messages and adjust our strategy accordingly. Troubleshooting felt like co-solving a riddle fastens. Then came the best tactics, best practices, enterprise wisdom and all. We found patterns and tips for performance tuning and made sure our service bus was as fine-tuned as a well-kept instrument. We ensured that all our peers, or I mean, senders and receivers, are always following the rules, like the uncanny harmony you get when everyone knows exactly where the dance floor is at a party. Looking back, it all made perfect sense. We had built something that not only felt like a leap towards efficiency but also a stronger, more seamless way to communicate within our team. It feels strange to say it, but sometimes our own cloud solutions become almost personal, don't they? So here we are, standing in the cool glow of our freshly configured microcosm of communication within the grand ocean that is Azure Service Bus. And the future? It's as bright as your latest Instagram bio. Oh, and before I forget, if this passion talk about Azure Service Bus has whetted your appetite for more tech know-how, make sure to drop by Neeraj's personal tech journey at qzz.io and subscribe to the TechLab. Let's keep the tech conversations flowing and always growing. You know what they say, to connect is to grow. Stay curious and never stop exploring the vast expanse of technology. It waits for you out there, just beyond the horizon. Catch you later. And hey, before you go, always remember, The sky isn't the limit when you're with fellow dreamers and doers in tech.